Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Jira to Linear step by step clearly. Open your Jira dashboard. Navigate to the project that contains the tasks you want to transfer. Select the issues you wish to transfer. Export the selected issues by clicking on the ellipsis menu. Choose the export option from the drop-down. Select the desired file format, typically CSV, for the export. Save the exported file to a location on your computer. Open Linear in a new browser tab. Log into your Linear account. Create a new project or select an existing project where you want to import the tasks. Locate the option to import tasks within Linear. Choose the CSV import option. Upload the CSV file you exported from Jira. Map the fields from the CSV file to the corresponding fields in Linear. Review the mapping to ensure accuracy. Confirm the import process to begin transferring the tasks. Wait for the import to complete, which may take a few moments. Check your Linear project to ensure all tasks appear correctly. Adjust any settings or assignees as necessary after import. You're now set with your tasks successfully transferred from Jira to Linear. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.